Hello everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, Sai.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Shall we start our class? Okay. So in yesterday's class, we installed Jenkins, right, in both Windows and Linux machines. Okay. I hope you
Sai,
understood, right?
I tried to install Jenkins, but it's a error localhost wiki.
Yeah. I understood. Just do remind me at the end of class, okay?
Okay,
Because sometimes we might need to open port in our laptop also. Mostly those will be open, but if you enable firewall, then that means ports will be blocked. That means your 8080 port is blocked.
but I would test it on that tick when we installed
Okay,
it.
but still we'll verify once. Okay, I
Okay,
mean that's not a that okay. We need to verify. We don't know right where you are getting
sure.
it. Okay, so just we'll verify all other possible ways. Then we'll come to a conclusion. Okay, okay, fine. Guys, one small announcement. Up to 27th, Monday, Tuesday, right? Up to 27th, we have class timings at 9:30. I know that these are a little bit difficult for you, but they in my company they are conducting one mandatory sync-up call that is for 10 minutes from that's 9:20 to 9:30 because due to pandemic right now work from home is going on, right? So up to 27th, is it fine? I know that it's difficult for you because you are also going to your offices and all. Is it fine? I have to don't know what to do. Is it fine? 9:30 up till 27th. No response. Are you there?
Okay, Sai.
Actually, I tried to skip that call, but they made that one mandatory. So that's the reason actually. Okay. Sorry for that. Actually, you should not change the time
That's
once we start
that's
our
okay.
batch time. Actually, we should not change that. I do know because by considering this time only you join. Okay, as per your convenience level. Suddenly changing time is not actually good practice, but this is a kind of exceptional case. Okay, up till 27th. Okay, anyways, that message I'll send in WhatsApp so the others also will come to know. Actually, yesterday I convinced my team members, I mean my management, that I can't attend, but that's actually it's important project which we are about to finish. Okay, up till 27th, class timings are from 9:30 onwards. Okay, 27th. Anyways, I'll send this WhatsApp message to you so that others also will come. No? From 28th onwards, we have our regular, nine only. No
Okay,
problem.
okay.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Yes, thanks for your consideration. Okay, so we installed Jenkins. Let me log into my Jenkins. Simple. Localhost colon 8080. Simple. Now give your details, admin and admin. Sign in. So these are Jenkins dashboard. Okay. Now here we need to discuss all these things one by one. Okay. So let's see all these things one by one. Just a moment. Okay. So this is where you can log out and you can log in again. These are user that we created while logging into our Jenkins. First time we created this user, right? So we have an admin name. And see in Jenkins, either we can call project, we can use the word project, or we can use job, or we can use item. Either project or job or item. All are pretty same. We can use these words interchangeably. Okay, so you're creating a job, new item. All are same, no difference at all. Okay, either project or job or item, all are pretty same. Now, running that job, if you run that job, that is what we call build. If you run that job, that is what we call build, B-U-I-L-D. If that running that job is build, you might be thinking, so build means, creating that end product, that var, dot, jar, those things. No, in terms of Jenkins, building means just running that job. Running means building. Okay. So if that is successful, that means build success. If that job failed, that means build fail. Okay. So either you can call project, job, or item. That we call running, that one we call build. Building means running that job. If that job is successful, that means build successful. If the job failed, build fail. Okay, that is the thing. Now, okay, that you must do. And if you want to restart Jenkins, what we can do? See, Jenkins is running in your laptop. Jenkins is running, and its service is running. You can see services dot service. You can type here services. Here somewhere you will find Jenkins service. You can see here Jenkins, correct, which is running. If you want, you can stop. If you want, you can restart. You can do it from here. Okay, just like see in Linux, we run the command service Jenkins start. Okay, check config Jenkins on. So in Windows, this is a way. This is where we can start the service. But see, touching this one every now and then is not a good practice, because by mistake, if you instead of stopping this service, if you stop any other service, your laptop may not work. That's why this is not a good practice of doing those things here. That's why in Jenkins they have given user-friendly option. That is simple. You put one slash restart. That's it, enter. When you press enter, you can say, are you sure you want to restart? Yes. That means you are restarting your Jenkins service. If you want to stop, slash stop. If you want to start, slash start. So all those things you can able to do it. You're asking, are you sure you want to restart Jenkins? No, I don't want to restart. If you want, you can restart. Okay. That is all. Now what we do, let's create a job. Okay, we'll create a job, then we'll see all options one by one. Okay. So here, this is a place where we can create new jobs. This is a place where we can configure, manage people like user administration and all. After running any job, that's what build history means. Running that job we call build. After building any job, you'll get output. That output you can see in build history. That history you can see from here. Manage Jenkins means it is a kind of settings option in your mobile, settings option. Any changes if you want to do in Jenkins, that we do from here. You can see, click that one. Plugins, everything we manage from here. You can see it. That's kind of settings option in your mobile. All settings you do from here. Views and all, you can change your own view. The way you look at your resume, that Jenkins appearance you can change. Build queue means, suppose see, at a time you can run two jobs. Simultaneously, Jenkins has a capacity of running two jobs. Those two jobs, you can see here. Those two jobs are here. Simultaneously, you can run two jobs. So you're running three jobs simultaneously. So third job will be in a waiting position, will be in a queue. So the third job name will be displayed here. Got it? So that's the third job will be in a queue position here. Okay. So what we'll do, let's create a job, then we'll try to understand all the options one by one. Okay. So new item. New item means I'm creating either new job or new project. All are same. Click here, new item. Okay. Here you can give any name to this job. Okay. So I'll give first job. Whatever name you want, you can give, that's up to you. First job. Now it is asking what kind of job it is. What kind of job it is. Is it a freestyle, pipeline? What kind of job it is? So if you don't know what kind of job it is, you select freestyle. Select freestyle. Okay, if you don't know what kind of job it is. Later on, we'll discuss that, Maven projects, pipeline, all those things. So select freestyle. Now, okay. Now here you can see so many options. You can see a number of options. So seems they have modified this console. You could see some changes here. Let's go. Yeah, they modified. Yes. See here, general source code management, build triggers, build environment. Like these are options. Whatever changes you do, these are applicable to this particular job. This is what we call job configuration. So whatever changes you do, these are applicable to only this particular job. Okay. So many things are there options. Slowly we'll discuss one by one. But as of now, we are going to select only our required things as of now. Okay. Suppose here you can see in build, you can see here execute Windows batch command. Execute Windows batch command. I'm giving one simple command. See, even if you're running a small thing, for example, you're running a small command that is echo hi. What will be the output? Output is hi only. Correct? So that means you are running a job. So you are getting proper output means build is successful. Simple. Even if you are running a small command, that means you are running a job. If that is successful, that means your build is successful. You can see echo hi. Okay. I am running a command called echo hi. This is a proper command, valid command. In Windows also we have this command, verify. CMD echo. Yes, this command is there. That means no errors. Now what we do, just click here, apply. Apply means that will be saved and you will be here only. Okay, you'll be here only. Okay, save means that will be saved and you will be redirected to this particular job home page. Let me click apply. See, saved and you will be here only. But when you click on save, that will be saved and it will take you to the jobs homepage, this particular jobs homepage. Now, if you go to dashboard, you can see we have one job is as of now. Correct, one job that we created. This is my first job. This you can call either project or job or item. If you see in gray color, the ball, if it is in gray color, that means build not yet triggered. If it is blue, that means build is successful. If it is red, build is failed. If it is blinking, that means build is under progress. Blue means successful. Red means job failed, build failed. Blinking means build is under progress. Gray color means build not yet triggered. This is what trend, weather report. Suppose for this particular job, last 3 builds are successful. It will show sunny. 2 are successful, 1 failed. That means sunny, little bit cloudy. 1 is successful, 2 are failed. No, pure cloudy. All 3 are failed. Cloudy with rains. Like that. It will show that weather reported. So here it will show that when we built last successful. If at all any failure is at what time, when, duration, how much time it took to build that project. All those things will be displayed here. Now what we'll do, see, let me take, before I run this job, let me take you to the C drive. Okay, let me take you to C drive, wherever we installed Jenkins. Where is the Jenkins location? In C drive. In C drive. Windows. Here, system 32. System 32. Here, config. System profile. App data. Local. Jenkins. Jenkins. This is Jenkins related things. Jenkins related things. Now here, it's kind of, this one, laptop. Your laptop is here, your pen drive is here. Pen drive is here. When you attach pen drive, you know that data is here in pen drive. But when you attach pen drive, one window kind of thing will be created. One window kind of thing. That data you can able to see from here. Correct. So where is my actual data? Is it in A or B? Actually data is in A. but that you can see from B. You can manage from B. So what is B here? B is like a window through which you are accessing the data which is in here. Correct? B is a window through which you are accessing data which is in A. Got it? So that is so. Here also same thing. Whatever you can see on the screen, that is just a window. Whatever you do here, that means indirectly backend you are doing where? In C drive here. Okay, it's a window. This browser is just like a window interface that you are giving. So whatever you do backend, that will be reflecting here. Correct? So that is so. So main thing is our C drive. But that everything we are going to manage from here. Got it? Now let me build this job. If you want to build, you have either you can build from here, this option, or you can see this drop down. Either you can build from here also. That is up to you. So let me click here, build. Build. Done. Now hit refresh. Since it's only one command, it won't take much time. Now build is successful. Okay, build is successful. Now suppose you want to see what actually happened. You want to see the history. Now go inside that job. You can see this is a first build that is successful. Just click on that ball. Yeah, this is the console output. The history of that build. What actually happened? See, the build actually happened where in C drive. You can see in C drive, Windows System 32 and all. .Jenkins, in that .Jenkins workspace folder got created. In that, one more folder got created called first job. Verify. In .Jenkins workspace, in that first job folder got created. Inside that folder, this command got executed. So what kind of output we got? High. Output we got high. So successful. So build is successful. Okay, that is how. That means whatever you do, everything will be created here. You can see automatically one folder got created under workspace. Correct, under workspace. That's it. Okay, let me create one more folder. Let me create one more job. Go to dashboard. Let's create one more job. New item. Second job. Freestyle. Okay. Now here, execute Windows batch command. Now here, something I'm giving echo. Hello, I'm giving. Hello. Now apply. Now directly say. So if you want to build, you can build from here also. That's up to you. Okay, go to dashboard. Let me build this job. Build now. One more job got triggered. You can see build is under progress. Oh, hit refresh. Successful. You can see one more folder. That is what. That means whatever you do here, backend that is happening here. Because this is the main thing. Okay. Got it? Okay, what we'll do now? Let me create one more job by giving some error. Okay. New item. Third job. Freestyle. Okay. So this time I would like to give wrong command. Any wrong. Echo here hi underscore psi. This command is fine, but see here. In place of echo, I am giving only CHO. This is a wrong command. These are wrong command, right? Now save. Okay. Now let's build. This time let's build from here. Now here it throws error. Hit refresh. You can see build fail. That's how you can see in red color. And all out of all builds, all are failed. One means one fail, 100% fail. That's why cloudy and rainy. Okay. That is it. Now you can see the folder. Third job. That is how it works. Now how to address that issue. So that time what you need to do, click here. You can go to configure. You can see configure option. Go to that. Configure. There, just modify that command. Echo. Modify echo. Now apply. Save. We addressed. Now let's build from here. See, first build got failed. See here. If you want to see, you can see console output. See here. What is saying here? Exiting Windows batch command marked build as failure. Why it is failed? CHY is not a command. That's it. Build failure. Now let's build here. Again, we modified that one job. Let's build. Right? You can see one new build got created. Now see console output now. Now it is successful. So out of two builds, latest build is successful, but previous build is failed. Now go to dashboard. You can see out of two, one is successful, one is failed. That's why you can see little bit cloudy. Even though latest is successful, but previous one failed, that's why cloudy. Track record it shows. That is how it works. Okay. How to delete a project? Okay, before that, let me show you one more thing. You can copy an existing project. Like click here, new item. Fourth. Now, what I want, I don't want to create a new job. Assume that I created first job. In the first job, I have selected so many options. Now, in the fourth job also, I want the same options. In that case, you can copy first job settings to fourth job. You can copy those settings to this fourth job. How to do it? Simple. Instead of selecting freestyle, you can see copy from. So here you give the first job name. Give first character, that name will be displayed. Select first job and OK. Okay. Now, if you scroll down, you can see in first job I have given echo high. But see in fourth job, that is showing because that settings got copied. Now apply and save. Like that. Now again, build. Like that, we can copy settings from one job to another job. See, here we have given only one option. Assume that they have hundreds of options. So you need not to select all one by one. Just you can copy settings. Okay. Now, how to delete a project? Simple. Here, to delete we have two ways. You click this drop down, you delete, or you go inside this project, you can delete from here. Anyway, that is fine. Delete. Okay. Deleted. That's if you go to C drive, hit refresh. See, I did not hit refresh yet. Now hit refresh. Why this will be deleted? It might take some time, but this will be deleted. Okay. So like that. That is how actually it works. Now what we do, little bit we'll talk about the plugins. Okay, a little bit we'll talk about plugins. Now observe carefully. For every job, when you create any job, respective folder is getting created under workspace folder. Correct? So whatever you do here, backend respective folder will be created, and whatever settings you select here, those will be performed under this particular folder. That is what actually happens. Okay. Now coming to plugins. What is plugin? You know, right? Plugin is an integration point. Okay, plugin. Jenkins is all about plugins. For example, okay, let me show you first, then you'll understand. Manage Jenkins. You can see manage plugins. Click here. Okay. This is plugins dashboard. What is plugin? This is Jenkins. I would like to connect some tool called Maven with Jenkins. So I need to first to take Maven's plugin. With that only I can attach Maven. Plugin is the integration point that we use to connect Jenkins with other tools. Okay. That's not only that one. In Jenkins, whatever you want to do, for everything you need to have a plugin. For everything, you need to have a plugin. Okay. So now let's see all options here. Updates means while installing Jenkins, already we got some set of plugins. Already we got some set of default plugins. So for those plugins, if at all any updates are there, those will be displayed here. Right, in your mobile, we have so many, apps. Sometimes we get updates for those apps. Here also same thing. Okay. So plugins which are already there, for that if any updates are there, those will be displayed here. Available means, see, these are the plugins. Only they are showing few set of plugins. Okay. So these are the plugins which are available with Jenkins. I told you that Jenkins, we have thousands of plugins, right? Yeah, these are those thousands. You might be thinking, Sai, here we can't see thousands of plugins. If you search whatever plugin you search, the name will be displayed here. Okay, choice I'll give to you. Please respond, guys. Which tool you want to connect with Jenkins? You name the tool, I'll show the plugin. Okay, tell me any tool. Any tool. You name the tool, I'll show the plugin.
Git.
Git, anyways, that Git is already there itself. Git you can't see here. Why? Because Git you can see here. Install. Git is already there. Let me show you in install. Install means
Docker.
I'll show you. Install means the plugins. While installing Jenkins, we got some set of default plugins. Correct? Set of default plugins. In that already we got Git plugin. Okay, that means install means which are already installed. Available means which are available with Jenkins. Okay, someone said Docker. Type here Docker. You can see the plugin integrates Jenkins with Docker. Any other tool? Any tool that you want to integrate with Jenkins?
What about Ansible?
Type Ansible. Any other name?
Chef and Puppet.
Chef. Right? Puppet. Correct? Someone said Kubernetes. Right? So Jenkins has plugin for each and every tool. Okay, each and every tool. So directly we can take that plugin and we can use it. Jira. Okay, type Jira. What? Jira is not a race, guys. It's a tool. Ticketing tool we call. You can see.
What about testing tools like Selenium and these?
Yeah, any tool. You can see. Okay, it's like that. Okay, so you'll get plugins for each and every tool. Okay, and if you install any tool, any plugin, that you can see from here, which are already there in your machine. While installing Jenkins, we installed some plugins. Those you can see from here. Advanced means, as I said, you can create your own plugin. Correct? You can create your own plugin. That plugin you need to create either by using Java or Groovy script. But no need, this is beyond our scope of the syllabus. Anyways, no need to write, because whatever plugin we want, already they are giving by default. Then why to create new one? If you write your own plugin, you create your own plugin, you can upload, you write the code, the file you upload, the plugin will be created automatically. So what we'll do, let's take some plugins. Okay. Let's install Maven. So click here, Maven, you can see Maven integration. Select that plugin. Selected. Let me take one more plugin, that is green balls. Okay, you can see green balls. Why green ball? Why Maven? To build Maven projects. Why do I need green balls plugin? See, when build is successful, it is showing in a blue color. But no, Sai, I don't like blue. Green is better. That's why I want to see in a green color. If build is successful. So that time we can use green balls. So I selected both plugins. Yeah. Before I install, let me show you. Login to Jenkins. New item. Do you find any Maven related option here? Respond, guys, everyone. Do you find any Maven related Maven word? No, right?
No, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, let me install these two plugins. Let me install. See, install without restart. So these plugins will be installed. Now you might be thinking, Sai, what about these? These are the plugins that we installed while installing Jenkins yesterday. Okay. Now here we are installing green balls and Maven, and some dependency plugins will be installed automatically. Okay, you can see Maven integration. Both are ready. That's it. You can, if you want, you can click here. Jenkins will be restarted automatically. Let's wait. Okay, so now login, admin, admin. Now let me create a job. Now see here, color got changed. Green color. Earlier it was blue, but now it's green. Now create new item. See, you got one new option. Maven job, right? So Jenkins is all about plugins. The more plugins you install, the more options you get. The more plugins you remove, the less options you can see. So that's why Jenkins you can customize. You can see you have customized your dashboard, right? So that's why we are calling this one as a framework. Got it? So the more plugins you install, the more options you will get. Okay, that is all. For example, let me go to configure any job. Configure. Since Git plugin is already there in my machine, that's why you can see Git option. So if I uninstall Git plugin, this option will be disabled. If I install SVN also, that's one more source code management tool, subversion, then you get one more option called SVN also. So here it's all about plugins. The more plugins you install, the more options you'll get. Okay, that is how it works. Okay. Now, so now we are going to talk about global tool configuration. Global tool configuration. That means this is my laptop. This is Jenkins. In my laptop, Jenkins is. Apart from Jenkins, yesterday we installed Git. We installed Java. We installed Maven. Now what we need to do, this Git address, wherever Git is there, like in C drive, program file, somewhere, that address we need to mention in Jenkins. Same like Java address, program files, JDK, that address I need to provide in Jenkins. Maven address also I need to provide in Jenkins. Why do I need to provide this address? So that when you run any job, if that job requires Maven or Java, whatever, so Jenkins will make use of those tools which are already available. If you don't give address of those tools in Jenkins, Jenkins will go for quick, fresh installation of those tools. You are running a job. Okay. So Jenkins, what actually does, it will install Maven if the job requires Maven. And after running that job, it will uninstall Maven. So every time when you run any job, if Jenkins needs these tools, it will go for fresh installation and after it will uninstall. But I don't want that. I want Jenkins should make use of already available tools. So that's why I'm giving the address of these tools in Jenkins. so that whenever we run any job, if the job requires these tools, Git, Maven and all, so Jenkins will make use of those tools which are already available instead of going for fresh installation. So for that, go to Manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. Now here, global tool configuration. Global tool configuration. Click that. Okay. Here you can see something JDK. Okay, click here, add JDK. Now you can see here, install automatically. So if you don't give Java path, Jenkins will go for fresh installation of Java automatically. But I don't want that. So that's why uncheck. Uncheck. Okay, here you can give whatever name. Java, whatever name. Here you have to give the Java address. Where is that address? What is that address? C drive, program files, Java, JDK. This address, just copy this and paste here. That's it. Now Jenkins know where is Java. So whenever Jenkins needs Java, it will go and take the Java. Now what about Git? For Git, you need not to give, because that's why you can see it's already unchecked and already it is taking Git executable path. So Git is so common tool that you need not to mention the path because it's a common default tool. What about Maven? Add Maven. See, it is going for fresh installation, but uncheck. Now here you give whatever name. I'm giving Maven. Now here Maven's path. Where is that Maven? In my C drive, Dev Tools, inside Maven. Now copy this one. Now paste here. Got it? So that is how we do it. We have given Java address, Maven address, Git address we need not to give. Right? Now apply and save. That's it. Now what we can do, happily we can run Maven jobs. Okay, everything we can do it. So that automatically it will pick, okay, these tools from that local machine. Understanding, right? So now let me walk you through this one slide. Plugin slide. Okay. See, plugins, what do you mean by plugin? Plugin is nothing but, see, with Jenkins, nearly everything is a plugin, correct? Jenkins is all about group of plugins. Okay, so the more plugins you attach, the more options you get. It's all about plugins. That nearly all functionality is being provided by plugins only. You can think Jenkins is just a little more than the executor of plugin. Jenkins is all about executor of plugin. Jenkins is just an executor of plugins. So plugins are integration points, you can see. Integration points to other tools, correct? This is Jenkins. This is other tool. To connect, we need that plugin. And also we can call libraries. What do you mean by library? Library is a place. Why we go to library? To gain some more knowledge. We go to libraries to gain some more knowledge. Okay. So here also plugin means it is to extend the functionality. See, Jenkins has limited functionality. But to extend that functionality, we use plugin. For example, by default, you cannot connect Jenkins with Git. But when we can connect by using Git plugin, that means by using this plugin, you are extending the functionality of Jenkins. Correct? So we are extending functionality and it adds new abilities to Jenkins. New ability means we are attaching to some other tools. Got it? Since nearly everything Jenkins does because of plugins, Jenkins ships its small set of default plugins, correct? When we install Jenkins, that time we got default set of plugins. Out of those plugins, some plugins will be upgraded automatically. Some plugins you need to upgrade. That upgrade option already I have shown you in plugins page. So some plugins you need to upgrade, some will be upgraded automatically. Got it? So that is all about plugins. Okay. Now what we'll do, the next topic is a bigger one. So that's what Maven jobs, how to create Maven projects. So there we are going to integrate Git, Maven, all those things. So for that time is not sufficient, only 15 minutes are there. So because that takes good amount of time. So that topic better I'll take in tomorrow's class. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to discuss Maven projects, so many other things. Okay, many topics are there. Slowly we'll discuss all those things so that slowly you'll understand the purpose of Jenkins. Got it? Yeah. So you be ready with the installation of Jenkins, every one of you. Okay. Now, yeah. What is today? Today is this one, right? Okay. Friday. Okay. Right. Saturday. What you want class? Okay. Let's conduct class. Okay. Saturday. Fine. Okay. So tomorrow we have class. Okay, same time, 9:30. Okay. So up till 27, we have class at 9:30. So tomorrow, Saturday also we have class tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. So see you guys in tomorrow's class at 9:30. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you guys. Yeah. Before that, someone was getting an error. Okay. So who was that? Can you please respond? Did I keep in mute? 1 second. Let me unmute. Yeah. Okay. I have unmuted you. So, yeah. Who is that?
Sai,
Yeah.
it's me, Venkaya.
Venkaya. Okay. Fine. So have you installed all those things properly? All tools?
Yes, Sai.
Okay. Which version Jenkins you took?
You said
Okay, guys, others, have you installed Jenkins properly? Others?
Yes, I.
Successfully?
Yes.
yes,
Okay, fine. So what do you do, Venkaya? You
Sai.
go to control panel
Okay.
or here firewall. Type here firewall.
Okay.
Firewall and network protection. Here, advanced settings.
Okay.
Yeah, here's inbound rules. Select that. Or better you turn off your firewall. Instead of doing all these things, better you turn off your firewall. Firewall is on.
Yes, Sai.
And is on. What do you do? Here you change that one into off.
Okay.
You try. Okay, because when you turn off means your ports will be enabled.
Okay.
Then you try and let me know. If still it is not working, then we have one more way that we'll see tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll take remote session.
Okay, Sai. Thank you.
Okay, turn off and verify. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts, guys, from anyone?
Yeah. Hi, Sai.
Yes.
Yeah, in companies, Git will use Windows or Linux.
Whether same, doesn't matter. Windows or Linux, same thing, right? Correct or not? Ultimately, we are going to use in browser. Anyways, in projects, we are going to see in Linux also. So that you'll understand both. That depends on company to company.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so that's it, guys, for today. Thank you so much. See you guys in tomorrow's class. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you.